What is air dry cream? What's it do and what's it for? Well, air dry cream is exactly what it sounds like. It is a product that you put in your hair when you're going to air dry it. Why would you want to do this? Using an air dry cream on your hair when you're going to air dry it will make your hair dry 40 to 60% faster, which is a great thing because your hair is in a much more vulnerable state, meaning it's going to break more easily, be more susceptible to damage when it's wet. So using an air dry cream will make your hair dry faster, which is good for the health of your hair. A product like this is also going to enhance any natural texture you have. I have a slight wave to my hair. If I air dry my hair with no product in it, then my hair will just kind of dry poofy and not really straight, but not really wavy. But if I use my air dry cream in it, it will enhance that little bit of wave. It gets rid of frizz. It just helps to keep my hair calm, and it has anti-humidity properties. This one is the Kenra. It's my favorite. Bumble and Bumble also has a really great one. I haven't tried any other brands, so I couldn't recommend them. But essentially every air dry cream is going to have similar purpose and have similar properties to them. Just because you're not blow drying your hair doesn't mean you shouldn't use some product.